monkey us with TikTok shop. Everything we are monkey me we give you. When they say I'm imitating you, who is not imitating who? You are the one imitating me. Because even we may give you or even who. No condemn you condemn me to that extent that shame on me. Enogie, he let a woman, they do TikTok shop. And you have the mind and the guts to say, may they click on the orange basket. Which man you want to get pajama for?
Don't forget herself.
Which man you want to get pajama for? Now you're on that bed, that pillow. I've been a cucumber.
Spiritual husband.
Eh?
I hate you with passion.
Now, what's the one we wear cucumber for?
No settlement.
Because they wear pajama
for. Who settle with a gun like you?
20 grand.
A gun on my beer.
Eh?
Who
you challenge with me? Who can be ene? When people, mothers of 4, mother of 3, when he says, that those people that will body shame me, or will generate, or me say, oh, those cats, my head go when you're bust. Oh, when they even back, they even not go where you echo. They even not go where not where you go, one now poo. And say people like let them say, people like Bluehead, there are some people that will body shame me. They go down, or that body shame me. Oh, you're bad. Don't be say you're the body shame me. Hey, you know, they go where go Nissan. Body shame me, you're the shakara de journal. That is body shame with style. Oh, we're gay, you know, one log away. I mean, like a kauna wa ye mita, una waje na. Gay, I'm a grandmom. I'm a mother of 4 like you. I'm 40s or 50. Beg Korea, do you see my shape? Because I didn't maintain myself. Oh, we know you can wap your men. When those people are talking, my head they burst. When people like that are body shaming my minora, mother of 4, mother of grandma, people we don't pass my age. Don't be you, we be 0 mom. 0 mom. We be say we childbirth. Many things happen for my body. Another idiot again we can't see body shaming. Oh my God. When I see this idiot. Thank you. When I see who say I know sabi dress, so I know argue. And when you say my man I know how to dress, let me see you. Let me see the way you dress. When I see another idiot with the body shame you, no re UK man, no my dear okay. When I see the body shame you. When I see another mugu with the body shame me, when say I know the dress. And he made that like we a tona really sick na me mamu enyaun. That person one blogger go they say who be this Loveth pants? Now she be this Loveth pants. No re UK no ma dey okay. Now she be this. When you see people are talking to Mama Nora, they are talking with pain. And here you pass through, here you saga one. They cannot take what they are giving to person. They can come for you 2 weeks. That is normal. But when you come for them once, it's against the law. You don't have that right. You don't have to talk when they are talking. If you not like, you not go to eat, you not vomit because of Mama Nora. Ke queen ke ya iju ungwaya sukube. I guess you not can do it. You ya say. But at the end of the day, ungwaya ye zagakube. But all of you are free to make friends because of Mama Nora, because of Enogie. You both should combine together. Yeah. When they eat, una vomit. A queen or waho wase. Erima, a woman, una the make single woman the tired person. When a person see una lay, if your husband the hot time, he go they scared to leave that home. Imagine a mothers, you cannot even put your children to sleep. A single mother be alive 24 hours without no rest. Without no rest. A life you can nyane la one that muke gari wa mu wa ge queen. Go way queen o wa ho wa ge ekperon. Ekperon vo after all the old tattoo, Aaron did not go away. After all the old tattoo you are used to destroy your chest, the error is still showing. You are so dirty, queen. Even look at your hair, all back. Go and cut off that hair. We are backward. Because woman, you don't even have time for yourself. When you get a TikTok, you take care of TikTok more than yourself. Ekperon. I'm telling you the truth. You take care of TikTok more than yourself. The time you spend on TikTok, you don't have it for yourself. Again, when you do TikTok, you feed TikTok, you bath TikTok, you close TikTok, you even if TikTok make caca, you clean the yash. But you don't have that time for yourself. How can a mother who around level you were eating at the center? You are telling your children, go to bed, go to bed. For this year, last 30 this year, Queen have never ever put her kids to bed and kids there on their side. Good night, my love. I miss you. Good night. Or if you are not that deep in prayer, I cover you with the blood of Jesus. Queen don't know when you do all those ones as a mother. She don't have that time. But before Queen cut live video, she will be begging TikTok, please, oh TikTok, I love you so much. Don't restrict me so that tomorrow I can still come to TikTok. TikTok, I love you. I love you. You go the battle. They will pray for TikTok. I can say, I can vow. We may vie iweye bedi de nou me with Tian. Never. Who you they spend that time with TikTok? TikTok. Someone comment your presidency. Give me money gun. Give me money gun. Queenie Ekperon. Who's poor you? I'm worried, yeah. I'm worried, yeah. That's it on your behalf, on behalf of that girl. No go on avec book, there no more chronicles. Oh, Benny Wally, everywhere you are, on a work peron. No, le rene TikTok more than children. You can't work on, you can't beer, or can't beer me. Yes, people know I'm not like you have time for TikTok more than yourself. Who is the most useless man? The man that impregnated you. See, that's the man here who was that man is here. Ah, God bless the day I left this woman. God bless the day I left this woman. That man is praying because someone again news us who because why all of una senior me. Now they cost me, not they pay me, but me ya got be ya got be ya Rudiye Nora Dorothy no so who agbon ni je ma make ni ma we make o kian ya eat your vomit back e ba we yin Dorothy go ma gbono for your whole time now because of Mama Nora. All of you will come back together. Climb each other platform is soon where I say here. When I see the body change Mama Nora. Le bloggers, in case no one blog the video, that also when the lady talk. Now she be this Loveth pass, no re UK, no ma di okay. Usunya na king. At this time, look at your wivon. Even up on no Snapchat camera. My even look okay. My even di okay. I women so here, we moto a UK. I believe your home is there. Also, no even when. Wagaye ni we go we no yana mege aseme your woru. Just look at your life. Way body shame me. Go we kan mege me go address it. Venena. Etona yak basha go bagwe. Even bagwe, people that live in bagwe doing their own job at this time. They cannot even put this on head. We get na iwa jena. Iya TV segbere na vege na awa. Uwazua isun gwarok barok ba eseme ho. Let's play the video. You
understand me? Mama Nora for no Sabe, that can never be my name. That has never been my name. I don't carry belly so many times. Now me they decide.
Hey, I'm more lucky. At least I'm not lucky. You don't carry waiting. Now balu you carry been a pure water. Bless my pure water you call. Maybe pure water with time out.
I don't go.
Blessing a pure water. Say you don't carry pure water many times. Now you they decide. May I plan? Maybe na me no year when I'm here they pay me.
Mama Nora for no. Sam, that can never be my name. That has never been my name. I don't carry belly so many times. Now me they decide.
You say you don't see period many times. Now you go decide. Not be which belly. Oh, go work belly. Dorothy we fia wo we sun wo gon gbeju e ijo na makoko we a ijo na sha no ya sha wo bo we na ogun gbeju e a ijo e sun wo a ijo e loriari a we oni sago fiju e upo a Dorothy no ijo na sha wo na zipopo yo we a gbeju e pa ya ijo na biomo da laiwo wo ni ijo e salu a we on a record we as soon as Israel fian wa salu Dorothy. When you they see period and you they decide a menopause is not cure your door soon. 95, 6, you will be 50. At this time, you see they say, I swear, me and you dress come out say, boy go toast me. Though they ask me say, is your elder sister? I mean, no, wow, Orune Dorothy. A tito shop in New York, remember, they will go reach, they'll ask you document. You know, say, Naya, no name, Moyasa, we call Caritas Yari Benue. I'm married where it be. Who me bello? May she fed born before she goes fine past me. Kevin Blackie, who were also you were now. You are also for the Bekos, Kevin Black. And the Bekos will reach your hand because she's single.
Ex-convict.
She's single.
Don't go prison for
Kevin Black.
Don't go prison for
she's single. The Bekos will reach your hand. Don't worry. You they laugh. No laugh. She fine past me. I know I agree. May fair boy before she go fine past me. When she is a mother, we cannot compare who is more beautiful. I mean, now you are a game. They look me, they say, wow, God, wow. I get Dorothy to for God forbid. When I was a girl, when I married, I married God forbid, but in a single life, God forbid. Even women, they'll say, oh, my brother not get go use this kind of woman to do, God forbid, God forbid. Kevin Black, keep on also for the Bekos. One day, the Bekos will reach your hand because she's single. Belena water. Go use all day, say give you one baby. Okay? Wow, what Dorothy?
So I can't carry name when God not say create me. Don't use and tag me. I want stopper for my body as the first daughter. I go marry, I go stay there. Don't you get my life?
As a first daughter, you go marry. It don't late. Dorothy. You as a first daughter, you want marry, you want born. It's late. Amen. You are God already, and you shall God forever. You are taban already, you shall taban forever. You don't liquidate already, you shall liquidate forever.
Not be you get my age. Now you know the time when it reach for you to what there you are, Lady J. Ready for now. Now so now once I made ro. Try last year I leave you. I ignore you. I try last year. Me and her the quarrel. Not be me and her the quarrel. Not be me.
Then when I soon who Dorothy. No go ana boy egbo na imi ana si osana maso no ma bi no ro ana de wo no ana hogwa. Again, if you beg you were there, Dorothy. Again, if you beg you were there, you say go ma make here. Lady J oze we ma make here that go well. Lady J send we do you Lady J got a platform. Okay, every right no ya support him or ma go. But when me right no ne re ya support where. The Lady J right no when we mi o na so na even see am. When we mi o no. When you cannot try this nonsense. Oh, damn, it's I'm not playing. I'm not pressing my phone for free. Imana me gift even way, me follow us even way. Who saga me for free? You say me because saga. I not big pass saga. That's why nobody should get advice when I go take. But in your own time, I will not take such advice. I want to make sure where what bear you are. You are walking a fear kulelwe. When what degie can what degie keri. What degie kekia. Elijah when you up here. What degie kekia.
DJ
Ero wado eh.
Me video na what about the message very na. Eme wa mi o na.
Ah, Jimetele, very yummy on. Then she can one other down weather. Make a kuni kwe you are born like
Then my problem is weather roti. What how on the biale was here? What how on the platform in the
Where you can down you way you were cut down
they see me for the time when she never get quarrel with them Mama Nora. This guy go see me, go pretend say no know me.
No know you.
He go pretend say no know me that time oh. Even I go why I go greet and said where this guy go take do he can't they raise body, he can't they even form like say no know me. Now buffer. Okay, now we come to say you don't get problem with them now. You want maybe come there your side. Maybe come they I don't understand. You just say me no know I want to tell look me. You as you pretend say you don't know me, now say pretend say I don't know you. So maybe now you will come they call me like that day when I enter your platform, you say my mama is here Lady J. Maybe now you will come they hear me. The time when they see me that time, why you not they hear me that time? Why you can't be saying now you the thing come they pay you as they see me with them now. You're not supposed to pay you. And the funny part, I go even climb Mama Nora platform. How they even they insult this girl? How they even talk to her? What be your problem, Dorothy? Dorothy, what be your problem? As you pretend say you know me, now pretend say I don't know you. So why you not come one? Maybe call the why you come on my friendship now? Why you say you get one thing when you talk say my me we not fine.
So you be like trust.
Yes,
we not fine.
We go put it for us. At least me see my way see marry me see put see they cherish me they go. He put me for us. So what be your problem, Dorothy? Ebola no tie me na egbo ye Dorothy.
Oh yeah, wow. So thank you for the gift. Thank you. Thank you.
What it concern you?
My surprise. No, my go
I'm not sure. Can't say you. I know. Let me make you see. Say if I see people won't be friend before. He didn't have fire Nora. He was too young. But you know, me for me, me any. It doesn't like say no know me. Why now? Why you can't know me now? Let me not understand. Why you can't they know me now? It's not supposed me you know me. As you pretend say you don't know me that time because you get small fame, you can't do like say you don't know me.
No,
you don't even know me for Italy that time, and we know each other. Now I leave you. Now you don't get quarrel with them now. Now you want to know me. What concern you?
If I may saga.
How they even they climb any platform they go say how they insult you? What be your problem now? If I like I climb any platform, not concern you. Not be you want to tell me who want me friend with Dorothy. So what be your problem?
We climb burger, a ray climb burger. We are here, Bonnie. My tell the J. It's here, Bonnie now.
Who pay me pass? What they concern me? Why they find me now?
My mutiny
they fight.
You can be friends with anybody. But this year, what you do?
Dorothy.
Saga. Oh, you want to do Duga? Oh, when I know people
when you know before, now they say maybe they fight now. The time when you did their side, that time you don't know say they be bad person. And then when I arrested him very early, he even get one day when they claim your platform, talk to everybody anyhow. I did that day.
Yeah, sir. For my plan for that day, talk to everybody anyhow because of that girl.
And I did that day. This girl do like say no. I'll go why even greet her like because now my old friend when I see no for Italy that time. She know they answer me. Okay. Why you can't be saying now you want to recognize me? I me not can understand. Why you can't be saying now you want to know me now? Or say life you now. Or man I can't before I didn't have because the way I like social media ne. Now. All you do well because you see me with Mama Nora. You want to talk another thing again where you know that we honey was yeah. Now we go. Oh yes, me hanya be nora.
The 4 years we have here, man.
Because in my head there, so leave me alone or you. I don't know you, don't know.
If I be careful of here, ownership.
You don't know me, I don't know you. So as we to know your know each other, anyway, I know not supposed to make it consign you. It's not supposed to make it consign you. If I like my new friend, anybody boy, you demand you about fear kunle li jouer fear kunle l'autre en quoi. You fais make one dirty comment, you stand comment mute am. Agbe pa here, you dey mad. Who are going to on the live video? Who am I insult? Now because you come and that day I don't answer you for boss game. Must I gift you? Imagine say him imagine say you be that easy person with the quit the whole platform. They'll say you the fight for us. He won't fight for Enogie. He won't fight for Enogie. I just do video, you begin to insult me. What do you concern you, Dorothy?
Well, Mudia.
I beg, not be me and her the quarrel. Not be me and her the quarrel. Not be me and her the quarrel. You know mean you can be friends with anybody. But this year, what you they do? You know what you they do, Lady J. You they purposely they do. Lady J, we know each other for Torino, you know. Before you come see who give you beleko, carry you go journey.
Ija, before you come see who give you beleko, carry go journey, you not come see. Friend mate, my son be mate to friend mate. Friend mate, she come see who give her beleko and go journey. You not see now, okay, now more the pump for your belly, we almost bust for your belly. Thank God, if not be police and hospital. They give Lady J belly, they can't give you a more. The difference is clear. The difference is clear.
At least they give me belly.
The difference is clear. Different day.
So my pikin now, at least now 11 years, now even one anyhow.
Oh, you don't go supermarket. Yeah, mommy, emwe jour no ma.
You say you get some secrets.
If you know jour no ma. If you know jour no ma, emwe jour no ma. If you know the go message o. When you drop you know when you drop you know that if you know go there, if you know the go message o. If you know jour no ma.
You know you sure that for Italy, I'm so maybe we will not be even friends for Italy. Now friends maybe say if we see each other, we'll greet each other for road. Finish. You know my best friend. What would they party? What would they waka? No. So what's it concern you, Dorothy? If you felt you know me before, you pretend say you don't know me. So as you pretend, you continue like that.
No, I wish you don't talk to her now. Say okay, maybe now because you never talked to this girl before. You have never talked to her before. I can vow. I can say, even when they do, even when she do birthday, you can't say you comment for her picture. Be like say you were. Be like say be 1 5 today, but I say that is nice. So me not come be like say.
Hey. What concern you?
I make better when and I make you go carry that husband wey be like houseboy. Now make you go carry husband wey be like boy. How about you like boka? Me and you know.
Okay, we may go.
At least, Emily may choose, you know, or that female. Emily may choose, you know, that female. Oh, you may boka. He love a video. The way we are calling from a video, I get boka. Abi? Oh, you may boka, and they like a video. He want love it, or want love it, man. Ma want love it be. Oh, you may boka. He want like a video. At least, oh, you have so gazi. He like a video.
Nye mami enoje we boka. O mami igwe. O mami already made. O mami already made. O mami ropa. We age no mwe boka. You see your life. Aga no gbe ayigwase o.
Water ma.
Ewe naja oji obi owuko.
Say me I Dorothy. E ma no when mi talenya we agbe a. We see me I Dorothy. Water mama o me hialelia. They love him, you know. don't want to boka ni me one like. He made the like in the one Mrs. Parking. No one ye boka. Like.
When you see ni make body o. Ni ya.
The DJ. So in basically talk, you can set it.
Your network.
What's it? Then me jena. Me marry the omodo. Me marry the bill. Let the DJ we be like Ogbonisa. We be like gay. We ugly. Oh yes. Suku. You were ugly. You didn't enjoy the thing, Lady J. Now make me go come for you. And this is just the beginning. You didn't enjoy the thing, Lady J.
Even that Ogboni say ye me odo. When we are gwalo, we not slay. We not slay queen.
Dorothy, what ye gwe mo we yan na. Omo no ye wo Ogboni san. Ima come on Lady J. O me anek baka o ebie.
Igbo have go me.
O me anek baka o sa gwa ya we se. Yo ko we leri e ma oni e ebie. I me ko we Lady J la wa baba iba ije no la wo mo pa la we adodo. O je wo Ogboni san. Omo je to market ne o we gion go abes for mo gbe no ebe. O je ya de lore. When no ye angel, princess of the world, sexy. If you know who you
what this is just
you know we say book. If you know more Genoa, if you know more Ruanoa, if you know more Ruanoa.
What concern where Dorothy? He must say, "You me auto we see me ahi." Or that me love him very only. When almost say when we want get bad on the 6 pack ladia. At least I'm
all see another goggles. That make it go to this na ya hand.
When almost say we
papi ma.
Say me ahi Dorothy.
Papi ma, you ain't fine, no husband, not be juju be that. Who be like gay? Don't get three beautiful angels. Makomolele. 3 beautiful angels. You will be princess of the world. No level.
Anybody when they clap, this is just the beginning. You they enjoy the thing, Lady J. Anybody when they clap, yes, saga day. Don't talk, not talk, say you not do anything. And then you nyama. When Lady J, what bay you are?
What bay you are, Dorothy?
We are making another mom give where to stop, eh? Last year now,
we not able ne we are to be a we stop where
stop where?
I got no mabie. So they pay you. I say now your mama shop your womb. I mean, no one talk. That's why you know they use mama to play. Because they talk say my mom.
Oh, wakakabo me you know that one say my papa na mama by papa okay I wish I gbere okay so I said before you are go man like you know when they play game with Bobby today I was not happy. You were smiling on that video and I was not happy about it. You have to come out and saga me. I want to see you scream. Wa naketable. Wa really leyaknya. Unyoge lokiete lopi. Unyogo moswo. Wa zole leyaknya. I dey like you. Wa weni ekui wa rieme. Also in our you want go to cool.
May you see how this game Mumu Rishoni. He say person wey saga him mama. Say can never settle with that person for life.
I'll tell bloggers. It take a many
years. So when you beat your mama, not be they call daddy.
So
you betray your mama for a Muslim. You know what betray your mama for Enogie? You see your mumu life.
Except we make video. So I say we make video ni ne Fracomozo yagbe godi. No yagbe je. Yo.
See your
we try last year now when I arewe. Liverpool fear kulelue. Now what be you are? Nick man, what for national peace to reign?
Nick man, I be joué Dorothy. I want to who A lady, je we on my few bed there because of client, because him and supported way. When Lady J is doing video in a row where manner appointment, I decline they mute. Even if I know what they talk, he mute. When anything I'm doing, Lady J is always there with me. But go on here was supportive. She could just see client, make people from her side, say I'm not a day live screen. If not be then when I ho person you say you know. Umatie, look for a number. Say, Lady J, I beg you don't look for a number. You message, because everybody will see your video.
Because people
you message Lady J, call her.
Wait, you not get that. Because people with the trauma they give our children for their platform. Why they not
she see they do one.
Okay, what do you mean?
Not say she not the cause of going again. She go say, a money, somebody will be a big money. I got say what go and your bomb your way up, be where I was. Really, let twin say, Ian Jume. Go and bring papas na something. Go and bring water na something. Take your pajama. They cannot dress by themselves. In the morning, after you bring their uniform, their clothes come out, they will dress up by themselves and to come maintain their face, brush their hair. So where you make big money beer, you cannot. The same thing Serekia did. She bully all my children when she want to give birth. A come and your money your neck by. Anari your boy. You cannot bully children and go free. Wait till bully be can go free. Go and see what a battle they say a battle keke. A lot of therapy, a lot of surgery. Every year they say carry and go talking, go do baby leg. Now we baby on the cemetery yahu. Me baby leg. Select carry pikin go talking, go do baby leg. Before the pikin leg, quand vous conseille one man is quand de kege. Avec yon egwe wetin ya ye ho ya wolo bi yo kana wolo e surgery no yo kan ye wagbon. Surgery when come and give you pikin, you take it. E come and your money. Who wa grab e? Come and give Serecha pikin, he grab am. A visa carry that pikin go do baby leg for am. Like we baby leg in your car. We baby leg in your car. Pikin we come and give person. How you say make that pikin be like? Your bully or should you say me your pikin call dey okay for your hair? It's dey okay for your hair. It can never be well. Awa. Yours or mokba. Hey, that is look. You are so frustrated and depressed on live screen. It's all over her face. I'm gonna better be check boss and let give her. Now that me call the whole live video for. Mother of one. Pikin when you do baby leg for. Now you call the whole life video all the time. Big person we don't shoot for bekus. No.
And what say by a sikoko? As so as a Jew when I the respect, I call you mama, I call you sister. I the greeting at my elder sister.
Which elder sister? In case small boys they made the say you senior. Which younger sister? Nobody you senior. Since this thing, me since when spirit take mess of your belly, nobody when you the senior, everybody the senior you. The spirit ya know your weko, nobody no there, and they call you my elder sister, You see, Lily, you senior Lady J, who dion 43. I know why my Lady J say you're gonna be public. 43, are you senior her? 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 6 years, 50 years. Uma mwe jeune joué. Uma jowa. Ume enogie wan betu. Ume enogie o. Enogie wan betu ume. Wan betu. Emwe no mwa ya uwe. How you do the emwe? Asha wonu wa gbe wa uwe. How do you do the money? What have you done to yourself? 6 years time you will be 50. 50. Shikwata. Ijeme. Abeno gihari uto nwe. Abenogie ari otonwe 56 years time. Awolo warere biena a cliff for that 6 years time. Ebe we akegere 5 years. Or we akegere 5 years. Or we maybe 4 to 5 years. Unarere mwa yona. Uya pe wumbiwe. You go Belgium. Uya pe wumb. Needed the connection. Use fake account. Put cloth for your mouth. Voice me, write me. Wana pe wumbi. Mono say omeko. Hello mama nora be your fans. Why they do drug? Market boss for my belly. It be like say sumo want sit in my belly. I want go wash my belly. I go give you connection. I'm not wicked. The doctor they beg you very big hospital. You go wash your womb. Your womb go come fine. Okay, all those when you dey your corner of your womb when people be not know what doctor not see. Okay, the womb we cover all they go wash everything through way. You see and say you can't born momo. At least before 50, me see get 5 years.
The mama no I go they use pikin say they laugh me. You cannot stop it. If Maria boy Lady J Denwe. Uda yo wa ya yo jai. Most especially when Lady J me wa who wa yo jai. Who yo jai because since last year he came away. Any man when he go give a belly. Now so the Lady J big like giant. The man then
Now so he be like giant, but she's a married woman. He be like giant. She's a full married woman. And the husband, they drive car. Some months ago, he want to collect something from my hand. His husband drive her come. Mommy, happiness, thank you. Oh, that phone, she moto fiere, adio wame. Yana do collect me. Oh, that phone, we na, your pay as 20. Oh, that phone, what do okay? He be like giant. He live with man, married woman. Married woman. No. When a princess goddess, drug dealer, we no make her. Princess Gucci, Princess Louis Vuitton, Princess Long Juma hair, you not make her. You not make her. You not make her. You see Lady J husband for next life, you say if I die, God I beg, may I see this guy husband. Make I see this guy husband. You see Lady J. Actually, if Lady J husband say, me you can't even be second wife, you go accept. Who can egbe who can yakwe your egbe ya. All body that you go to accept to be second wife.
you be the amat. What's your private part they talk to me? And you be a day the phone say you know they talk put. No by yareba ye man yak boy.
Okay, I jouer. Dorothy, no ma make it. Dorothy, ik bani okay I jouer. When wa yo zagi jouer no wa ma. Because he jouer. Oh sungu. He jouer ki an lori ariye. Oh wa ni jouer nu wo jouer je ga isha wo ya boni. Okay, I see gbe jouer. Oh, si be life you don't cannot donate to go bury amunwe. I don't go bury o, but no man make any na. Maybe I consider way because a boss gay. I can't solve anyway.
Hey, me no rien beja no rien boire le DJ. Il va pas rien fier qu'on les gens n'aura, rien fier qu'on les le DJ. I know they talk to her. You understand me? Mama no la for no. Say man, that can never be my name. That has never been my name.
I don't want her to stay away. Goldie should stay away for Saga. I don't want her to stay away. That's why they remind her. Because when she stay away, the live screen will be so calm. I don't want her to stay away. Oh. I use this Saga to dream. You know what? Bedo never.
And also that person, you go calm down.
Another one be this. Oh.
You understand? You go see if I not get party that day. It be like trance.
Oh,
like
oh, you were washy. Oh, you were washy. Ah, for your mad now. Even if I don't feel good, she be I no get for see invite me. She be no we no get invite again. I may be. Hey, invite again. I may be. Eke no etizien emweyi ekona egbe o me emebe. Shebe TikTok shop inu yan kama wege yan ne task they go ask of task number soon no. Shebi you get task number we go submit for TikTok shop. You get document we go submit for TikTok shop. Don't say my mama they do TikTok shop me you go do am. You not get document, you know you know if you do anything. You get people who will be starting before. They don't enter us now. Because no document to submit. If you not submit document, you cannot do anything. Cannot TikTok shop area mwe. TikTok shop not a driven no. Not say if you drop Vino for TikTok, they go accept you. They not they accept Vino. They not they accept mwe. TikTok shop don't drink Vino, you don't tire, you know they accept Vino again. Oh, I have Vino bribe ya. They don't use Vino, they bribe it. They don't they use fake Gucci, they bribe there. Oh, in case no we makama we kama we na.
Ah, they no ye nyama. When they the jail. Ah, what bear you are?
Ah, what bear you are, Dorothy?
We are reckoning I am more guinea. Where to stop eh?
Oh, he pay you.
Tell you how the last year now one. Ukele we true last year now when I we. Liverpool fear kulelwe. Now what bear you are? Nipa boy for national pistol rain. Ben wa fe by affair ya sikoko. As far as you when I the respect, I call you mama, I call you sister. I dey greet you like the elder sister. You go fit.
Everybody like the elder sister.
You kids they laugh me. You cannot stop it. You can't say away el yelora. Or me na clear gioma gia sonona out of it. Una rebona pa we na mi.
Ijo, Dorothy, Alpha.
For intentional man, look for the kind of man when you really want. When you go fit stay with, when you go fit settle with, una go born anyhow. If you born, may you see picking when go put sand for your chest. Like as you die now, if you die, picking day when go put sand for your chest.
Yes,
so for you and for you. My own time don't finish, Abi.
Yes, so time don't finish. The time you were phone. Dorothy. Your time is expired, is gone and gone forever. Your time don't finish. 6 years time, 50 years. This ain't a beast. 30 years they enter menopause these days. Oh. Remember, now you are 40s. You can enter menopause. You know, go. I've been a IVV. If you want to go do IVV, you don't get money. Oh, as you be so, you don't even see man go marry because you don't get money. Ah, no. Let's really calculate. I like some people will not meet up for life, eh? Maybe they'll say, maybe they'll call, they say, you two get things. Maybe at least try me you born. Dorothy, you don't have driving license. You don't have driving license. No, let's calculate. You don't have. Document. They will print that document come, but money go yours day. Money go day. Every so ni marry bien. But in your case is nothing, Dorothy, nothing. You don't have driving license. You're supposed to be driving. Okay, we have fear sign. What fear sign in my own? There, what fear sign? You know there. You were squatting with people. How many years in Europe? Jesus Christ. You got a squat before you finally, after a lot of saga, bully everything, before you finally carry one room. You know they go as up and down now, say now husband going to look for Nigeria, you know they. Your time we don't spend for Italy, for everywhere, what have you done with it? It get where woman go rich, you know they see money again, or your more obvious. You and Sheila, all of them are the same group. You and Sheila. Go and see Sheila's daughter. She's almost going to 15 years. Age mate by set by a group of working. Only on Ugalele Big now. Bros Bobby. Otio Enoko. Her beautiful sister Sheila. All of them are the same group. Mommy we Sheila. Mommy we Lady She. Oh, una grieving your old friend will betray. Also, nere TikTok, nere media, una mwele media, una do saga, Mami, what you just come up to you, Dorothy? Do you want us to do fasting for you? Do you want us to pray for you? Or can you confess your sin so we can forgive you? Say this last comment now. It says, send me DM if you are single. Dorothy, can you come and send her a DM because you are single and searching? You are single. It gets so at least you get what you're supposed to they see you with, Oh my God. We go to imagine your future baby. She's coming to enjoy. I'm on we have been all the who you say I got donated no money because no uma uyoto uma rere biewe uyoto ero egwe banki egolidara Dorothy emwe ki amu no mo abi vino ki amu no mo ya mwe vino no mo no ejega you go prison. Mako kewiro pa yoto amawe because you koko yoto no osie or emoto no fee no osie no driving license no even Italy you no get any results you know when you know Jonah at the end you end up on TikTok shop. Dorothy shame you get when women are talking shut up your mouth. When girls are talking shut up your mouth. When babies are talking, shut up your mouth. When elders are talking, shut up your mouth. What do you go use your life do? Sweet berry, not there. What do you use your life to do? I know some people when age, you know, they not quit, but the way they do things, the way they package life, you go to imagine their future baby or their behalf. Say, oh. This picky, this woman born and that picky, oh, she go, this baby go enjoy, see her, see car, see man, marriage no marry, fiancé no day, engagement no day. Ah, you are a bad luck, you are a curse. You are a curse. I got wish waiting, whoa. Is waiting, all lower. Your mother sit on you. Okay, it's no ziegbe, it's no mudiano moya before you ever reach like this. Before I ever roof my ass, my mother was begging me to give birth. My mother used to say one word. Ijeme, my mother is saying one word when I will never forget. My mom will say, oh mama when I bowa. Oh mama when I dimoto. Oh mama when I je party. There are some things you cannot achieve when you are single. But through those children, you will achieve it. I may live in weakness. Yeah. I abandoned my house for many years. I roof after my parents stayed there inside. Nothing. It gave way rich. I don't call the same money again. As a gay, my amigo, this is my own story. Oh my God, no, he said, I don't call the same money again. Oh my God, and my age still young go. Because I don't too take for street, but my age was still young. I just celebrated 37. I was born in 1989. Now the court come up for my age. If you evil, may God give us long life. I don't born my children before I maintain my house. I can't really flashback for what mama say. Oh, mama when I bowa. Oh, mama when I je party. Oh, mama when I dimoto. When you are planning to have it all before you give birth, okay, by 50, you will see someone who say, who they press bell? Who be that? This night, go say, Auntie me 50 years. 50 years, nah. Go say, yes. You go open door for it, go enter inside you, pew! Once you don't enter, when you open door the next day, they'll say, this woman no be small picking girl. This woman don't be small picking girl, a woman a real mama, because you don't open door for 50 years. You don't open door for 50 years. 280 when I go Nigeria, I was 28 years. They don't even use 30s, they look me. Mama was saying, what's so here? They didn't be with me. They didn't be with me. Even get advice one advice that say you don't need to offend that loved one. No. You sit down when you love you, when you not to love. Now it's good to born for. Yeah, mama, I beg go. As I born for man, I not love. As I born, I say no. Nobody say you no go love him, but you will let that man love you more. So you go feel they tolerate you if not quarrel. Love, you dey feel that deep one when you love, that make you go. Like, and you go day. Someone will press your bed. Who be that? Why you dey press my bed? You go say, now me 50 years. Now me 50 years. Open door for me. You go open. You cannot escape it. You must open.
The house they say carry. They say that in nine of her friends they donate money for her.
9 of our friends for us we carry.
We do not make her carry
that house. 9 of our friends. You know who get bank account.
Tomorrow we can't list their names.
She know who get bank account. 9 of our friends. Now they donate money for you. Shame.
I love you in China. So you, Miss God did not go born again, Abi. Say you
50 years now blessing when you achieve things. When you have children surround your table. Yeah. At my 50, my children will be up to 80 years. At my 50. My guests are going to 80 years. Do you know what is 80 years? You don't sleep, relax, say, please, can you cook me this or so, this like this? 50 years is a blessing, but if you don't achieve anything at that 50, it's nothing. You will be scared to open it. Or I'll be not later 50 when Salo Boala. Because me, I thought it's even they pay me say not quit bomb because they may say at my say 40 years, my 40, I never get 50 years old picking. The thing they pay me. I wish me quit the calculator and say if I dey age like this, see when my children will day. I for don't born I don't get that calculation, I don't remember. I'll day 40 now, my picking go day 10 years. The thing they will pay me say not be 15 years, it go day. 50 is a blessing when you have things around your table. They mock people. When they mock you, you cannot take what you are giving to people. You cannot take what you give to people.
God.
But you so get say they cry, say I not quit born. Now we're gonna walk by 50. You call they say now children be that. Now children be that. Mind you, I don't have the right to mock anybody. But when you say my kids are nothing, I will mock you when you don't have one. I am not a God. For those of you go say, a man or an make a God, they wash everybody mind. If you want verse, agan, la only 8 year born on one or so egbe. May use bini. Una agan. Una onu tie born on one or so one egbe. Eka few beg you one. If you feel trauma to people, children, if you like, go naked for Luku. Go naked for 4 Joshua. If the person mock you, say that because you never born me, the gods go bounce back to you. You do not just mock my own children. You post there on your page. You post my children on your page. You mock my innocent children, and you don't have one.
Should they forget herself?
You forget yourself so soon. If you are a body, say you never born at your age, not to trauma to people, children. Oh. If you like, go shop wish. The cost not go reach. The cost not go reach because walk away no one be now you first say when you pay the one person born for you to born that kind picking, you go keep your belly till the next life. So I got here wa ganoma be who be so don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. I'm not hurting a lot of people. I'm hurting one person because she hurts me too. I'm a human. We have the same red inside our body. We have the same red. She not get what I not get what now red me and he gets. She not born when they mock her, she will feel bad. I have children when they mock my children, I will feel bad. That is bracket. Drop. Is a drop. My baby has speech delay. I know how the way she bullied that innocent girl. For she to give birth to him back, he let her keep it body to the next life. Then Mina will not bully you. You cannot tell me when to stop. Never. You come out tomorrow and say, I know I curse my mama again. No curse my mama. Ikpa agbe jouer Dorothy. Ijouer afiyan ou. Ikpa agbe jouer. You know you use mouth, post, talk to my daughter, you post her. You post her. I carry my daughter, go ice cream joint. He ice cream fall, he pick her for ground. You carry that video, you use that bully and say, my innocent picking, they crazy, they pick something for ground. You post that video on your page. They call you a ganoma be do aswa. Make I play your first video, you when you are crying today, I know the reason why you are crying. When you are cursing, you want naked curse people. Look your heart before you lay curse on. If not, the curse go see repeating and deal with you because you bully first. Na ya biomi be asi ekoi asi ekoi kariave sa boy gun e bin be I broke e ban we adota we e might say bonomo e might say bono. We should stop at the same time. We should stop at the same time. If a child pick from the floor, it is normal. No, they say my picking enemy they craze. I bought an ice cream. I was dragging it with her. It's okay, it's okay. So the ice cream come for. But maybe they pick her for ground. They lick the ice cream. They screen record them. They use that bully my picking say, I'm on the water. She know you use my cost, so she post that video, use that bully my innocent picking. When you say you can never give birth. Never.
Now you be the God when they give the picture when they share it.
Like the comment that dropped, he said, I'm hurting. With the ass specialist, how do you want us to feel? She's hurting all of us too. A cry for one is a cry for all. A lot of mothers have a special need inside us. Now, who talk your comment that they see? When you throw out to all. Throw out to all. Everybody, a lot of children go to the challenge for his ass. A lot. You know what it be to have a special need? If I say we get bad country to Nigeria. Do you know what is it to take care of a special need child? You know what it you know work with food there. Like I got the see or in bed people that say she is not working, she is not schooling, she is not working. What time they do for us? He pass work. Because I'm working already.
You must be I thought you were dumb, but you must be damn dumb to think say
network. I'll call to analyze your shame and disgrace. The video when Francomozo beats you, I'm coming. It's not easy with kids, so I go live for you.
see like me, not go born for this life.
By this time.
Not be only born, I go marry. You go see the man when I go marry, you go toss her. Now I see the reason why she was waiting.
If we see the man when you go marry, we go say, now I see the reason why you are waiting. You are waiting. We now we will not see the reason why you were waiting. Oh God, this girl is a very stupid girl. I swear.
Nothing go happen. First thing. Now pick you not to the last person.
And if you see manage, if you see mistakenly born that pikin, you must face challenge. I swear. I go because of you, area some advice. Sarah see her for body now. You cannot bully children and go free. If you see mistakenly say you get that belly from pregnancy, now they spend money on they spend money on your head. When did they spend not they had though? Now don't let logo. And they use up man they talk and now don't say if you mistakenly get belly, if me I was you go bonu well. Yeah. I go walk on you. You must that pikin must face challenge. You must you cannot bully my old daughter and go free. You never born with a sweet you, but born. Get belly. Get belly. When I you see I say born my sweet, person laughed me for this. Say I'm so lazy. I know the shape. Now see I take born for twins. But one, he born pikin for 6 months. I see born pikin be like lizard. Oye chikele, oye bo sick balo. Oye chikele. The same thing when she talk, oh, if una see my husband, I go trip. If una see my pikin, una go trip. But when that girl born pikin, 6 months and some months, let a bring pikin come out. Pikin be like ants, be like lizard, be like lizard. And CS it take born, I not even feel push. Me, you see as born twins. They laugh me for this. All in the name of saga. See, I know they shame. They will up pikin come out from my belly. Even for this Europe, if 50 people born twins, now only 2 go use normal take born. 49 are CS. For this journey where we did, I don't know about Italy. 49 are CS. You not strong, rich like that. Say me use normal take born. You not common. It says those pikin get way. They don't come. They don't near grad already. You not get any say. You not get sugar. You not get BP. Everything do okay. But for Jamie, now CS will take born twins. CS, my twins make me experience CS. That's why I'll say I'm the both mom. I'm a mom of normal and mom of both. Now even that CS I prefer. Because me giving birth with normal, it affects my senior baby. Because the labor was too long. It affects her. The pikin when me born for CS, I know where they are smart. 6 months, in a guanet tight. See my twins, see my baby. But picking me born for normal, I can't get space delay. I even vow, if I even want boy, I cannot use normal. I not use normal take boy again. Because long distance labor, it affects my own picking. Because of the name of why use normal take boy, use normal take boy. They mock me, say I'm not the shame.
So some people say, God quit for them. Some people they born early. Some people they born late. Some people they marry early. Some people why they marry late. Not be day when break for you today, night break for me.
You know like
not
that.
Not be day when go break for me tomorrow, night go break for you.
Well,
if you really get sense, you suppose know.
You know like that.
If you really be best when you get sense, you should know that.
You know like that.
Everybody have their time. It's better to marry late than to marry early and get divorced.
Why it be safe una frustrate? Now we don't frustrate. Una like this statement. Gwani ma meet up your word. Gwani like it now. Gwani work your may again. Una we use old days. Una see the inside again. Una like this statement. You marry late, it's better than you marry early and divorce. Una like this word. Una like to use this statement. You see some, you can see someone, you can see some women go say, I rather born for 5 men than to born for one man. We don't know his sister. You get one as well, better part you get 5 as well. You go your born for 5 men. Cause they see some women they use that word. Fine, oh, una mess set, not get sense. I rather you born for 5 men than to born my pikin for one place, sister. You born there for 1 idiot. Better pass you born there for 5 idiots. Your mama go you get 5 or 1, only one person go you bring 5 or 1, 5 idiots. You are proud of it to say I rather born my pikin for 5 men than to born my pikin for 1. You can't get 5 idiots. 5 idiots go you can't do as father. Idiot first papa, idiot second papa, idiot you are una someone we don't say why una like this statement. Una like this statement.
A broken relationship is better than a broken home.
That's your age.
So I don't know why una amaje school so all the women are yet think here. And you see a senseless woman talking. Mama Nora was talking. Stupid women was up. Contributing, laughing at
because they don't contribute for your home. Because I contributing. Why that is me don't know what I mean. I don't even know I don't know. People call it tell me say my man don't you know say what they do for me. No, they know. So what me they told the people you like this say. You know feel they take what you they give me, Dorothy. Why did take care Mr. Ibu Olevino? Anyway, what berang.
None of them could say like no, Mama Nora. Let your saga be your saga with this woman.
Now you want to tell me I do saga with you, Olevino. What kind maybe me with saga with too well? I don't understand. Again now, we no make it.
Don't take it extreme. When people take saga extreme and you want me to take it low, when they decide to take saga extreme, you want me to take it low. I know whether that can
Yes, so
I will not accept it because I'm not. Do you know what's barring? Let me educate you, Mama Nora, the illiterate. Because I see and say, your your ass boy went inside house when be your husband, not they educate you. Do you know what's barring? A woman that has never in her life missed a period.
The only pregnancy when you don't get, may I remind you, you get that belly, you don't know, you can't go swallow drug. Now you're mere way. You want make money, you want build mansion, you want build hotel, and still you don't eat market, you not see meet up. When you get belly, when you go eat market, you want go use a build mansion, they say, you ever use your mouth, talk, it's not be they say, Emwena sagina weko can go affect the baby brain. As doctors see, they say, if you born this baby, hell, in benoso erag mona reivi. What you need to do now to born now make the true way. Una be your money. A who be your ana wolola jen uwewe. Ana mufua. Now I say no one do anything. He born in bed. I not even know say you will ask mommy in bed. Now you use your mouth talk and say if not be say drug affects that baby. You know how many years ago for day now. Since when they say wolo that picky come off your belly when market affect, it never refuse to take another one. I bet they wolo your womb join now. They wolo your womb join now. For years, they beg you for your man. You they happy. Do not feel born. They wallow your womb join market. By this time, should they saga house? Should they use a lot of tea? They saga house. This is my house. You see, I'm not your mate. This is my car. You see, I'm not your mate. Only pick you take past me. Now only born never born. But you see all these things. You get her. You get her. Mama Nora, you get what I not get. I get what you not get. Do you have driving license? Do you have house? What actually you we are Jenny Bime, but error no one day. Yente error dere back a golidara. Uya dagbuna yo dagbuna ya fihane. Una ya fihane vino. Una ya dagbuna ya fihane mwe. Still umaye make it.
You know what be barring one at Yaga? Woman will never for her life one day. Never even experience what they talk. Called taking in as a woman. Being pregnant as a woman. That is barring on your gun.
Who you call the explainer for? Don't we explain, man? Why you call the explain for? They say you may you explain.
You never experience a woman till they read the taking. Now don't be barring on your gun. Since whatever of your where, what equal
oh wow.
You not get brain to fucking think. You don't call people barren.
But you have the right to call people children in bed. You don't call people barren, but you have the mind to call people children in bed. You have the mind to say, for me to give birth to this kind of child, I'd rather keep my womb to the next life. But you have the mind. You see your life?
You don't call people barren. You don't see some are they very stupid. You can't call a woman that has carried a child before. Don't call her barren.
I like all this guy. I beg. When you do, I hope you saga my life tomorrow. Okay, tell us so we they do boy follow. They never saga your life. The almost was so never saga your life. Monica never saga your destiny, your future. Tom Polo never. I be you want me to go breathe the video. We go the swear for Tom Polo and Lucky Nice. You no go no peace of your life. You will never see peace. Lucky antelope. Hey, blogger. I not send una message. I beg. I need that video. When you take saga Lucky Nice, they swear for there. I need that video. My call user remind this idiot. Everybody, you don't eat your vomit. You don't beat them. What you want for my body? What you never do. We out of a big man. No man so we be. A single girl with saga and Ekwemu.
In Jesus' name. All of them when they follow and when they back them up for innocence. This one, we love come out because of game when they play. We love come out. God when he say, you don't see her life. The time when she for play, when he for they play game, maybe they give her lion, maybe they gift her, she not play. The time when she continue to play children, say they follow children, they play when they play game that time. You don't see what people. So all of you were jealous of of my position. All of them needed that position. I'm gonna call they beat me boots. But if say I gonna play game that time, Una for still beats me so much. Even when I don't use them to anything, I say they use them make money. Una not say they use them they make money. If they use them they make money, now una for talk. I not do that because
Which position? A slave position. Na ya gane na ya gane gbiyen. Slave position. You want to use that shit to take a read document back. The document when they take about you, when they take count for your hand, when Caritas manage give you. They say for real life, you they smear in way to fear. Your position on now where boy, no na rien vomit where regbe. But no tell you joke on you all low way where regbe. He use you or he use you. After using you, he dump you. As not call they breathe the children, they call the life they're not they sleep well, they're not they breathe. The children they're not living fine. You know, you make me love a media before. What did their mama not do when their mama their life? It reach your tongue. You expose those children for media anyhow. If not be saga, oh by now, those children not be by this night. If they say, so I say go and sleep, go and sleepy, go and sleep. Now you make me love a media. Why use that say reach your document? It not go happen. A friend you claim you love, you are helping the children. Their father come, you go fight their papa. You go fight their papa. The shadow anatie we move a boy. You know where Rebecca ni anatie we because where the mother no ave ave. It won't be work bokum. It won't be work bokum wherever. Someone you say you love, you are happy the children, you are happy the grandmom, she was your friend. No matter the situation, or Donna Nigeria, the baby father, woman seti. Wow. You know the meaning of like, you know the meaning of love. Even if the grandmama reject, not be your position, your duty to calm that grandmama down. Ah, mama law. Instead, better you fire it more. You fire it more. Me no allow the boy see his children. What? You want to use a C document? How far? Where the docu? It reach your hand. Instead, now we know they put for your hand.
that is not my intention.
Don't finish.
That can never be my intention. I would pray for somebody like me. Then I will be at rest everywhere I am. God, I pray to you. Put somebody like me, somebody like my heart, everything like me. Give that picking for intentional man. Look for the kind of man when you really want. When you go fit stay with, when you go fit settle with, you not go burn anyhow. If you burn, you see picking when go put sand for your chest. Like as you die now, if you die, picking they when go put sand for your chest. So for you and for you, my own time don't finish.
Yeah, time don't finish. I'll leave you for now. Cause I have a lot of things to do tomorrow. My guests are going to school. May I for quickly 5:30, 6 o'clock. I don't wake up. I will leave you for now. Leave you know. You use this one, relax your body. Anybody will go advise you say, Ella Janiya, iya only until say no, that person not like you. You see that person when want advice you say, no man, no man, that person not like you. You need to come out and come and saga Mama Nora. You need to come out and come and saga Enogie because people love to see you when you are saga. Mommy, you always saga. Now people go your foot up. Hey, you too fat for this one. You know see.